Assalamualaikum. My name is Asif from Lahore. My profession, I have a school, and my qualification is Islamiyat. And then I continue my study. First of all, I thank for Allah guiding me to the right way. Then I saw an ad for Subhan Online Academy on Facebook. I connected Sir Aswar, and he guided me very gently and politely. I have done YouTube and digital marketing courses from Subhan Online Academy, and my best and most sincere and respectable Salmutur Rahman, who taught me very well. They told me everything I didn't know. Salmutur Rahman has all the qualities that a teacher should have. Sir Aswar and Salmutur Rahman are very and really admirable and respectable. In fact, I appreciate them. I gained a lot from this academy. I would strongly request you to learn online courses from this academy and online from home. Thank you all.